do a quick little tour around the bar now that we've finished the 4-player MAME. There's the 4-player machine, newest one, just finished building it. It's pretty good. You can just use the joystick to scroll through the menu, choose the games. Got categories as well, so pretty sweet. Happy with that. Off in the corner, got my prized possession, my paperboy. This is fully restored, ground up, and with artwork on the side by me. Because if you know anything about paperboy, you know that it didn't look like that. It was much more boring. It just had regular Atari generic art on the side. So I spent about 200 hours in Illustrator doing that art. And you'll see it on lots of paperboy machines now. I've got the movie sign / pinball machine, but it's all folded up, just doing its movie duty right now. And that's all driven by my gaming rig down there. All right, and then the movie theater door through there into the theater. Got all kinds of goodies. I've tried to put lots of tchotchkes and stuff all over the place, just so that there's all kinds of things for people to discover when they walk around. Do you know what this is from? This one's a bit easier. But yeah, I tried to dot lots of little bits and pieces all around the place. Up here I got some of my larger pieces, all different movie stuff, some of which I made myself, like the guns, and then some I bought, like the Darth Vader mask up there. Down on this side I've got my multi-driver that I built. I've got the old Lego Millennium Falcon hanging up there on top. So yeah, I built this from scratch as well, and again uses a similar kind of system where you can use the buttons on the steering wheel here to go through the menus, pick what games you want to play, hit outrun, do that. Alright, next to that we've got more tchotchkes and goodies up here, and then the first machine I ever restored, Donkey Kong. Now it's actually running a multi-arcade SD board inside. All the original guts are still in there, so it can be put back if I needed to, but I prefer just to run one of these multi-boards because it's got lots of different stuff that people can choose from. Some classics on there. All right, and now turn around. This is the bar area. Of course, we've got TV and music going on up there for when the football games are on and the family's over. What else we got going on here? Got a bit of karaoke. Got our karaoke rig. Wireless mics up there. Lava lamp, of course, because what would life be without a lava lamp? And then, yeah, this bar I built myself. It's kind of got a bunch of cupboards and stuff in it, you know. Beer fridge and the glass and the bottle shelf. And then under here, you can see the bar's got downlights on it. And I used old crates from wine to do the face show there. Up on the bar over here, got our Tony Stark out there. And then I got a Mega Touch system. This is super popular. A lot of people, like when they come over, they'll just sit up in the corner here, put their drink on the bar, sit there playing those bar games. And then my final restoration, Robotron cabinet, again ground up restore of a machine that I found in absolute trash condition. It didn't have any guts to it. Custom artwork, not by me this time. I got this from a website. I really like that art. That's super cool. And again, this thing was gutted, but I put an arcade SD card in it. So again, you can play all of the vertical classics like Robotron. Hit one player there. So there you go. Still play Robotron on your Robotron machine. This also has servo controlled joysticks that will automatically switch the joysticks between 8-way and 4-way sticks depending on which game you load. Which, if you're an arcade nerd, you know that that's important for a good control. And then we got the old retro corner down here with a couch and my delicious LED lamp and a nice Panasonic flat screen. And then below it, I've got my little Super Nintendo converted with a SD card. So that has the entire Nintendo library on it. And then Dreamcast as well. And that again has been converted to an SD card, so you don't have to keep messing around with cartridges and discs and stuff. Okay, and that is about it. So that's the quick, dirty tour of the bar here at our house.